Flamingos are distinctive and striking wading birds known for their elegance and unique appearance. Here's a detailed description of flamingos. Size: flamingos are relatively large birds, standing between 3.3 to 4.6 feet, 1 to 1.4 meters, tall, with males often being slightly taller than females. Weight: depending on the species, flamingos typically weigh between 2.2 to 4.9 kilograms, 4.9 to 10.8 pounds. Legs: flamingos have long, thin legs that are well adapted for wading in shallow water. Their legs are often pink or reddish, and they are fully webbed, allowing for easy movement in water and mud. Neck: flamingos have exceptionally long and graceful necks, which they use for feeding. Their necks can be as long as half their body length. Coloration: pink plumage: adult flamingos are known for their pink plumage, which is a result of the carotenoid pigments in the organisms they eat. These pigments are found in the algae and small aquatic creatures that make up their diet. Chicks: young flamingos are born with grayish or white plumage, which gradually turns pink as they consume their diet of carotenoid-rich food. Head and bill. Bill: flamingos have large, curved bills that are uniquely adapted for their feeding style. Their bills are bent downward and equipped with a filtering structure that allows them to strain small aquatic organisms from the water. Eyes: their eyes are relatively small and set high on their heads, allowing them to see while their heads are submerged in water. Habitat and range. Habitat: flamingos are commonly found in wetland habitats, including saltwater lagoons, mudflats, and shallow lakes. They are highly adapted to saline and alkaline environments. Range: flamingos are distributed across various parts of the world, with different species inhabiting different regions of Africa, Asia, the Americas, and parts of Europe. Their specific range varies depending on the species. Behavior and diet. Filter feeders: flamingos are filter feeders and primarily feed on a diet of small invertebrates, algae, and other microscopic organisms that they filter from the water using their specialized bills. Social birds: these birds are often seen in large flocks, as they are highly social and engage in various group activities such as feeding, preening, and breeding displays. Migratory: some flamingo species are migratory, moving between breeding and non-breeding habitats depending on the season. Breeding and nesting. Nesting sites: flamingos typically build nests in shallow water, often using mud mounds. These nests can be quite large and are constructed by both male and female flamingos. Chick rearing: flamingo chicks are born with fluffy downy plumage and are cared for by both parents. They are fed a specialized secretion known as crop milk, produced by the parents. Colonial breeders: flamingos are colonial breeders, often nesting in large colonies with other pairs of flamingos. Conservation status. Varied status: the conservation status of flamingo species varies. Some species are considered of least concern, while others are classified as near threatened or vulnerable due to habitat loss and disturbance. Flamingos are not only known for their striking appearance but also for their critical role in wetland ecosystems. Their unique adaptations for filter feeding and their pink coloration make them an iconic and captivating bird species.